How to download Milestone credit card app. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about downloading the Milestone credit card application on your mobile device. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to open the correct store. So if you're using an Android device, open the Play Store, and if you're using an iOS device, open the App Store. Search for the app. In the App Store, tap on the search bar and type Milestone credit card app. Select the application from the search results and install the app. Tap on the install button and the download will vary depending on your internet speed. After that, once downloaded, the app will install automatically. So tap on the open option and then after, enter your account credentials to access your account and start using the app. So that's it for the video. This is how you can download the Milestone credit card application on your device and start using it. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.